So, if you have a blurry video on your Blink doorbell, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, first things first, you want to clean the lens and housing here. So, make sure the doorbell's camera lens and its housing are free from dirt, water spots, or condensation. Sometimes even a tiny smudge or fog as inside the lens will make everything look fuzzy. So, go and just clean the lens and housing first. So next thing you want to do is you want to check your Wi-Fi signal strength. So Blink says that weak Wi-Fi between the camera and the router can reduce image quality. Now in the app, check for signal strength and make sure it's strong. 3 bars or more if you can. Now if it's weak, move your router closer to your closer or use a Wi-Fi extender if you can. And also, you may want to adjust the video settings in the Blink app as well. So, you want to go into the Blink app, check the camera's video quality, and switch to the highest or best or HD if you can. If it's currently on the lower settings here, lower settings may appear blurry. So, yeah. Next thing you want to do is you want to update the firmware and app. So, ensure both your Blink Doorbell's firmware and the Blink app on your phone are up to date. Outdated software can cause visual issues like blurriness. Now, also, you may want to avoid glare or direct light hitting the lens. So, blurry or washed out images sometimes happen when the lens is facing directly or direct sunlight or heavy glare from lights. Adjust the mounting here or angle the doorbell so the lens isn't blinded by bright light. So, another thing that you may want to do is, if you still get blurry video, you may want to check for internal moisture or sensor issues. Now, if the steps before did not help, you might want to, or you might have condensation inside the camera housing or faulty imaging sensor. So, in this case, you may want to basically have this checked out, or you may want to check this out. So you could go and just call a technician if you can, or you could go and just check this yourself. But you may want to be careful on this one, so you may want to refer to the manual if you can. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.